The underlying trend in Alibaba stock is a strongly bullish one, currently up 0.37%. This is Wednesday, the 19th of October, 19th of November 2025. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength it picked up, or rather the bounce that it picked up on Monday the 17th, which held up till yesterday the 18th, is expected to remain in place. At least that trend going all the way towards the 11th of December. Then after that, a contraction may follow going all the way towards the end of this year, the 31st of December. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside based on what we have on this 4 daily chart. We have 147.08, 133.55, 125.19. But before now, there were projections one to the upside 175.81, 232.41, 261.12, 278.86. The probability of it retesting this rejection at 168.81 is very high, but it doesn't mean it's going to happen. Positions opened all the way back to 10 days ago, and indeed, 21 days ago are not in profit right now. They are, especially the price pressure momentum for the 10-day moving average is out of trend. It's out of trend, severely bearish, indicating, amongst other things, that the positions opened 10 days ago are currently not in profit. On its 4 hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that it has the bounce it has right now may remain in place at least up till midday today, the 19th. Then after that, it's going to be downhill. This is well, to some extent, in contrast to what we have on its. It looks like a contrast to what we have on a daily chart, but there might be a world where it may still align. The 4 hour chart prints every 4 hours. So even if the market is closed, it's still printing apart from Saturdays and Sundays. So they could still align there. There was uh, if, even though the uptrend, there's the extrapolation on the daily chart is saying it's going to have an uptrend. There's also in the short term where it's going to retrace somewhat. Projections here are saying, let's see what we have. Okay, some to the upside, some to the downside, beginning from the least 143.66, 147.04, 152.52. To the upside, we have 162.45, 166.52, 169.04 as things stand right now. Based on this chart, the 10 period moving average is also severely bearish as well. Yes, severely bearish. We'll see how it goes, but let's find out more about what's going on with the company.
Alibaba Baba was trending after the company officially began rolling out a new app version of its AI powered chatbot, Qwen, part of a broader strategy to strengthen its competitive position against global leaders such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and xAI's Grok. The updated Qwen app, currently live in China, represents a rebranding and upgrade from the previous Tongyi app. Alibaba plans to release the new version internationally on both Apple's iOS and Google's Android platforms. The company has emphasized that the refreshed app is designed not just for general purpose conversation, but for deeper integration into Alibaba's ecosystem. This includes the addition of agentic AI capabilities that can assist with shopping tasks across Alibaba platforms, particularly on its flagship Taobao marketplace. Such features are intended to drive higher user engagement, increase conversion rates, and further blend AI with commerce, an area where Alibaba sees a long term strategic advantage. To accelerate adoption, Alibaba also made a notable pricing move. The company slashed API costs for its most advanced model, Qwen 3 Max, significantly reducing enterprise usage expenses. According to the South China Morning Post, input token pricing has been cut from $0.86 to $0.46 per million tokens, while output tokens dropped from $3.44 to $1.84 per million tokens. These reductions position Alibaba more competitively in the global model pricing landscape and may attract more developers and corporate users to its ecosystem at a time when model economics are becoming an increasingly important differentiator. However, Alibaba has also found itself navigating geopolitical turbulence. Last week, the Financial Times reported on a leaked White House memo claiming Alibaba was assisting the Chinese military in conducting operations against U.S. targets, a claim the company swiftly and firmly denied. While the allegations remain unverified, the report briefly stirred investor debate about potential regulatory or reputational impacts. Overall, the launch of the upgraded Qwen app, aggressive token pricing cuts, and Alibaba's push to embed AI more deeply into commerce are viewed as key steps in its effort to reclaim momentum in both the AI arms race and its broader business transformation. The Chinese e-commerce titan is expected to report net profit of 2.39 billion yuan, equivalent to $336.24 million dollars for the 3 months ended September, according to the consensus estimate of 12 analysts in a FactSet poll. That would compare with net profit of 43.87 billion yuan a year earlier and 40.65 billion yuan in the June quarter. Fiscal second quarter revenue is expected to come in at 242.925 billion yuan, according to FactSet, up from 236.50 billion yuan a year earlier, but below the 247.65 billion yuan reported in the first quarter.